So my name is Alex Shikhman. I'm with a company called BESI. I started the company in 2013. Having COR certification puts you a step above your competition. For us, that was one of the driving factors before we even signed. I've announced to my clients that we're now COR, and I've been told that by certain clients we've been shortlisted now because none of my competition have that. So that's a great example of how useful it can be. Okay, so the benefits of COR are that we're striving to be as safe as we can in the workplace, make sure everybody goes home the same way they came in to work that day. Having achieved COR, what it allows us to do is to formalize all of our procedures and behaviors. So this COR certification process is very labor intensive. There are so many different modules and so many different points to keep in mind that it would be extremely hard, if not impossible, to do it all without consulting. So the guys at ForSafe were very helpful. They responded to our queries very quickly, and when things needed to be changed, even within the software portion of it on the ForSafe.com, they were very responsive and were able to get it done to what we needed to be.